Hello and hi, this is Gaurav, your Pilates and fitness coach. Welcome to another episode of Pilates with me. And in today's workout, we will be mostly focusing on our lower back. So the main portion is, or the main idea is to understand how we can reduce the fat or it's really the stubborn fat around our back area or the lower back area. Because I have heard many people complaining about reduction of fat from all the areas, which is absolutely easy for them, but the lower back fat, the stubborn fat, the last layer fat is very difficult for them to handle it. So we will work on that. So before we start off with today's exercise or today's session, I would like to share with you a disclaimer. This is for all. If you are having any kind of back issues, especially the lower back problem, try and avoid those moves which are hurting you, especially if you are suggested or prescribed by your physician not to go for certain movement. Please, you should try and avoid those movements. However, if you are feeling comfortable, you are okay with those movements, then you can jolly well go ahead and enjoy this session. So let's start today's 30-minute session. First 10 minutes will be absolute warm-up so that we can awaken our body, we can make our body understand that we are going to work out now. So let's start. So first of all, we will sit down in a normal posture, keeping your hands straight, engaging on your core muscles, keep your spine straight and abs in. Every exhale you have to twist your body from left to right and right to left for approximately 10 times so that your obliques, your back gets activated. Exhale with every time you rotate your body from left to right and right to left. Make sure the gap between both the hands are always same. The gap should not reduce. Once it's done for 10 times, then we will keep both the hands behind our head and we'll try to twist our body side to side. Exhale with every time you push your elbow down towards the ground. So again, this will help to activate our obliques and as well as the muscles surrounding our back and spine. Exhale with pushing of your elbow down towards the ground. Exhale, 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 exhale. Now we'll go for the next move where we lie down sideways. Make sure your body is in a straight line, and every time you exhale you have to raise your upper leg up and down. This is also will be a part of today's warm-up. Every exhale, raise your leg up and down for 10 times approximately. It will be better instead of watching me, if you can perform, if you can do exercise along with me. This will give you more impact. Once done, then pull your knee forward, exhale, pull, push back, pull, push back, pull, push back. Do not push back beyond your body line, it should be parallel to the lower leg. Every time you pull and push, feel the warm up or the pressure around your lower back and your glutes area. Once done, change your side. Repeat the same exercise for the other side. Keep your body straight and engaging on your core muscle, push your leg up and down. Exhale. Keep your knees straight as much as possible. Absolute knees straight. Keep your toe pointed. Exhale up and down. 10 times approximately. Once done, then pull your upper leg towards your elbow. Pull, push back. Pull, push back. 3. Exhale 4. Exhale 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we will start with the first exercise. So in the first exercise, most will be doing today 4 exercises. Repetitions will be a bit higher because we will be working on some stubborn fat. So in the first exercise, you have to keep your hand behind your body line. Keep your legs like this with shoulder and gap. Engage all your core muscles, chest up, abs in. Push your hip up in the air, and you have to push your single leg behind, under your body like this. This is the first exercise. So every time you push it, try to push it more under so that the pressure comes and you put your glutes and the lower back. Yes, this is very important for you to understand. If I am talking about the back muscles, this will also work for your glutes as well, because these are the multifidus muscles, your core muscles of your back area. So glutes will be also activated. So let's start. We will go for 15 repetitions for single side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1. Keep your toe pointed. 2. Abs in. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. 6. 7. Exhale through your mouth. 8. Keep your toe pointed. 9. Abs in. 10. Exhale. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do the same thing for the other leg. Exhale. 1, other side. 2, push it back. 3, push it more inside. 4, exhale through your mouth. 5, push it more inside. 6, feel the pressure on your back. 7, 8, exhale through your mouth. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. In this particular exercise, at times we have a tendency of pushing our hip more high, more high, more high. This will not help us much because the pressure will come more on your shoulder and wrist, which we do not want. So keep it stable, keep it higher, but do not try to push it to keep it absolutely straight, like just like that now. So take it easy. Try to focus on the focus point and the basic posture, which should be clean, engaging all your core muscles, which is very important for Pilates workout. Second exercise, we will go down, prone on our chest, lie down. Now, fold your both the legs. If you have a cushion, take a cushion. If you have a ball, like the way I am having a ball, keep it in between your both the ankle. Now, engaging all your core muscles, you have to push your both the legs up in the air and have to stretch your knee like this. Exhale up, push your knees apart, pull it inside and down. So, if you are using a ball, there will be a slight tendency that the ball might slip from your ankle. But if you are using a cushion or something else, very soft and light, then the losing of the grip will not be a big factor. So let's start. If you have got a cushion, quickly let's start engaging all your core muscles. Take a deep inhale. Start. Exhale up. Push your knees apart. Pull down. Exhale up. Push your knees apart. Pull down. Repeat. 3. Exhale 4. Exhale 5. Exhale 6. Exhale 7. Exhale 8, 15 repetitions. Exhale 9, 10, feel your lower back. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is absolutely focus exercise for your lower back area. So there will be tremendous pressure. You might get cramped as well at times. Immediately we'll go for the third exercise, where we will not be using the ball anymore. We'll keep it aside. Push one of the legs straight up. Every exercise you have to just fold and unfold your leg. Your pressure point will be your hamstring, glutes and lower back of single side. Let's start. Exhale, push, pull, fold, unfold. 3, exhale 4, exhale 5, keep your pointed. Exhale 6, abs in. Exhale 7, exhale 8, exhale 9, push your knee up in the air. Exhale 10, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one. Yes, this will also activate actively your pelvis or your glutes muscles. Let's repeat the same thing for the other side. Push your leg up in the air. Start. Exhale. Pull. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 4, 5, 6. Push your leg up in the air. 7. Leg absolutely straight. 8. Exhale to your mouth. 9. Knees straight to pointed. 10. 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And relax. Okay. Now we'll go for the next move. Where you have to be in quadruped posture, keeping your palm under your shoulder, knees under your hip. Make sure this posture is absolutely correct, otherwise the pressure point and your body alignment will not be correct. So let's go. Every exhale, you have to push your hip as much in as possible, and immediately you have to push it out with a jerk like this, with a jerking like this. Exhale, pull in, push out. Pull in, push out. Okay? To make it very fast, this is a typical posture which we do to relax our lower back. This is also commonly known as cat and camel, or camel and cow. So there are a lot of names which we call it as, but this here we will use as an active exercise to tone and to reduce the fat of our lower back. So keep your hands like this. You can keep it on your fist, you can keep it on your palm, you can get your core muscles. You can deep inhale, exhale, pull in, push out, pull in, push out. 3, exhale, 4, exhale, 5, exhale, 6, keep your arms in, exhale, 7, keep your arms in, exhale, 8, exhale, 9, exhale, 10, chin tuck, exhale, 11, exhale, 12, exhale, 13, exhale, 14, and last one. Okay, so let's repeat whatever exercise we have done for round 2. Now we will increase the repetitions by 5 more. That is, we will try to go for 20 repetitions for each exercise. So you have to keep your hands behind your body. Push your hip up in the air. Every exhale, you have to push your leg under your body. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Starting with the left leg. Start. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Abs in. 5. Push it more. 6. 20 repetitions. 7. Abs in. 8, exhale, 9, 10, your body steady, 11, is your core strength, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, exhale, 18, 19, 20. Repeat the same thing for the other side. Ready? Start. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale through your mouth, 8, exhale, 9, abs in, 10, push it more, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5 more, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Now we'll go into pro. We'll use a ball or the cushion which I have used in the first round. Okay, now capture your ball in between your ankle, engage all your core muscles. You have to push your both legs up and stretch your knee. Ready? 20 repetitions, engaging all your core muscles. On my count, 1, 2, 3, go. Exhale, push up, stretch, pull down. Up, stretch, pull down. 3. Exhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Exhale, 7. Exhale, 8. exhale 9, exhale 10, exhale 11, absent, exhale 12, exhale 13, exhale 14, exhale 15, 5 more, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Now let's quickly switch to the third exercise. In the third exercise, your single leg should be up in the air and have to fold and unfold it. Try to keep your leg as high as possible. So ready? Leg up, start. Exhale, fold, unfold. 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. 6, 7, feel your pelvic muscles. 8, 9, feel your lower back muscles. 10, exhale. 11, keep your legs straight and steady. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, keep it up, 18, 19, and 20. Yes. I'm sure if you are doing along with me, you can feel how your goal or your targeted muscles are on fire. Let's repeat the same exercise with the other leg, right leg. Ready? Engage your core muscles. Take a deep inhale, leg up, start. 1, 2, exhale through your mouth. 3, 4, 5, 6, exhale. 7, exhale. 8, 9, 10, 11, exhale through your mouth. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, feel your lower back muscles. 18, 19, and 20. Yes, now let's quickly switch to the third exercise. So third exercise, you have to be in quadruped, keeping your palm or your fist under your knee. Your hip should be absolutely above your knee, and your palm and fist should be above your shoulder. Engage all your core muscles. Take a deep inhale, 1 by count. Exhale, pull in, push out. Pull in, push out. 3, push out. 4, push out. Exhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Absent, 7. Exhale, 8. Exhale, 9. Absent, 10. Exhale, 11. 12. 13. Put it as much as possible. 14. Squeeze the pelvic muscles. 15. 16. Exhale them out. 17. 18. 19. 20. Relax. So, I'm sure you can absolutely feel how your back muscles, especially your lower back muscles or the fat area, is in complete action. I'm not saying this kind of exercise will help to immediately fire your those area and reduce immediately. Yes, these are effective long-term exercises. If you practice this kind of core and targeted exercises for a month or so, you can see a remarkable and a visible difference along the back areas. There will be huge hinge loss, much development of your muscle and reduction of your fat. So let's go for the third repetitions or the third round with a repetition of now 25 for all the exercises. This is the last one. 25 is really huge number. This will really show your entire lower back. So let's get ready. Third round. First exercise, repetitions, 20. Push your body up, engage your core muscles, starting with the left leg. 1, 2, 3, start. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale from mouth. 6, push it more. 7, push it more. 8, exhale. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, exhale from out, 18, 19, keep your core engaged, 20, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. I can feel also some bit of pressure on my hamstring since my single leg is taking the entire body pressure. So yes, your hamstring will also be in an active mode. I still repeat, whenever we are working for a certain group of muscles, we have to focus with them. Otherwise, some other group muscles will be extra-activated and will be extra work. So if you cannot focus on a particular group of muscle, I have already shared these tips long back, how to focus on particular group muscles. So you can look back to my old YouTube videos, so you can understand how we can seriously enhance our attention and concentration to that focus area, irrespective of the fact that other muscle groups are also getting activated. So let's continue, and you can go back to my old YouTube videos after this video to check how to enhance the concentration. Now, side 2, first exercise, last round, 30 repetitions, start. 25 repetitions. 3, 4, 5, 8, push your mouth. 6, 7, push it more. 8, stretch it more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, exhale from mouth. 7, keep your abs in. 8, keep core engaged. 19, 20, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Okay, got it? So, second exercise. Use the cushion which I have used a few minutes back for the second exercise of the last round, last 2 rounds rather. Now we are going to the last round. 25 repetitions for all exercises as said. Engage your core muscles, hold your legs, repeat properly on my count. 1, 2, 3, start. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, push it more high. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, exhale, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5, 4, 3, 2, last. Yes. Let's move to the third exercise. We will go for again 25 repetitions, single leg. Relax. Now we engage. Keep your hands beside your chest on the ground. If you want, you can keep your chin on the ground. Engage your core muscles. Take a deep inhale. Single leg up in the air. On my count. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 4 and 4. 4 and 4. 3 and 4. Exhale. 4 and 4. Keep your legs up in the air. 5 and 4. 6 and 4. Fold your legs. 7 and 4. Complete unfold. 8 and 4. Stretch your leg. 9 and 4. Keep it high. 10 and 4. 11 and 4. Exhale. 12 and 4. 13 and 4. 14 and 4. 15. Exhale. 16. exhale 17, exhale 18, exhale 19, last 5, last 4, last 3, last 2, last 1. Yes, now we will switch to the other side with the same number of repetitions, same exercise. Engage your core muscles, keep your leg high, start. Pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, keep your legs straight, 18, fold in more, 19, legs up, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Yes, quickly switch to the last exercise. Get ready. Keep your palm or fist under your shoulder, knees under your hip. Engage all your core muscles. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Pull in, push out. Pull in, push out. 3, 4, 5, 6, exhale. 7, 8, 9, 10, exhale through your mouth. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, exhale 19, absent 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Yes. So I'm sure by this time, after completing 3 rounds of active lower back toning exercise, you've understood how your lower back is in, or rather is on fire. And let's now go for the cool down, which is very important. For cool down, we will sit down, crisscross our legs like this, hold your single knee with both the hands, pull it towards your opposite shoulder and twist your upper body towards opposite direction. And hold this position for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Softly change your legs, change your side. Pull your knee with both the hands to opposite direction. Twist as much as possible. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now, sit down on your knees. Push your both the hands straight, like this, engaging all your core muscles. Stretch your single side as much as possible beyond your body line. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now softly change your side, twist back, look behind, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now, either sitting on your knees, or if you can't properly, you can sit down in a normal way. Stretch on one side as much as possible. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly push your hand down. Stretch forward. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, go to the other side. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now, push your single leg sideways straight, the other leg should be folded, so that you can feel the maximum stretch on your lower back, which was the major area or the main focus point of today's exercise. Fold your knee behind your body and keep it like this. So basically one of the leg is folded in front of you, the other leg is folded behind your body, and slowly stretch to the opposite direction. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now change the leg fold, change and keep the other leg behind your body line, the other leg in front of you, switch to the other side, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all for today. Thank you so much for keeping your patience for last 30 minutes and to watch my session. I'm sure if you can follow this kind of exercises on a regular basis or my YouTube channel, you will be getting a lot of varieties on cardio, on Pilates, Pilates of different modes like Pilates flow, Pilates on mobility, Pilates on stretching, and different other exercises all together. And other than that, we have also short videos like walk and run on different modes. So stay tuned, be happy, see you in the next session.